Hello viewers, welcome back on my channel Creative Nest. Transforming your living space doesn't always require a hefty budget or professional assistance. With a dash of creativity and a pinch of inspiration, you can revamp your home with unique and personalized touch. Here are some delightful die home decor ideas that are not only cost effective but also allow you to infuse your personality into every corner of your living space. Utilize wooden planks and thick rope to craft rustic floating shelves. These versatile shelves can showcase decorative items or serve as practical storage. Convert messengers into charming wall sconces by affixing them to a wooden board. Insert LED candles for a cozy and romantic ambience. Palette wood wall art. Upcycle palette wood into a unique piece of wall art. Stain or paint the wood in various shades to create a visually appealing focal point. Clean and dust your palette wood wall art to keep it looks best. If placed outdoors, ensures the art is properly sealed and protected from the elements. Creating palette wood wall art allows for artistic expression while promoting sustainability through the reuse of materials. It is a fantastic way to infuse personality into your living space and showcase your creative ability. Save your wine corks and repurpose them into a stylish bulletin board. Glue the corks onto the frame, creating a practical and decorative display. A wine cork bulletin board not only showcases your appreciation for wine but also provides an eco-friendly and visually interesting way to stay organized. It's a simple yet effective dye project that adds a character to any space while repurposing material in a creative way. Arrange your photos, your favorite ones, in a creative collage on one wall to add a personal touch and evoke cherished memories. It is an excellent way to turn your space into a reflection of your personality and the things you cherished. It's a dynamic and ever evolving display that can be easily updated as your interests and experience grow. Stack vintage suitcase to create quirky and functional shelving unit perfect for adding a touch of nostalgia to your space. Vintage suitcase shelves are a wonderful way to showcase your creativity while incorporating a touch of history into your home decor. They can serve as both a conversation a piece and a practical storage solution, making them a charming addition to any room. Create a terrarium coffee table. Design a mini indoor garden by placing succulents and small plants inside a coffee table with a glass top. It adds a refreshing and natural element to your living room. It is a creative way to blend furniture and nature, offering a unique and visually appealing centerpiece for your living room. With the right selection of plants and decorations, you can create a little oasis within your home. Create bookshelves. Arrange wooden crates in various configurations to build a unique bookshelves. Stain or paint them to match your room's color scheme. Create bookshelves offer a budget-friendly and customizable storage solution with the rustic type layer. They are versatile and can be adapted to fit various room style, making them a popular choice for those looking to add a touch of creativity to their home decor. Suspend planters from the ceiling using ropes or macrame hangers. This not only saves space but also introduces a refreshing green element. Regularly check the moisture level of the soil and adjust your watering routine accordingly. Trim the plants to maintain a neat and balanced appearance. Rotate your hanging planters in periodically to ensure all sides of the plants receive adequate sunlight. This prevent uneven growth. Place your hanging planters in locations that provide appropriate light for the types of plants you have chosen. Some upgrade player plant pots by wrapping them in your favorite fabric or wallpaper. This simple hack adds a pop of color and pattern to your indoor garden. Fabric plant pots provides an opportunity for upcycling. You can repurpose old fabrics such as denim or vintage textiles, giving new life to materials that might otherwise go to waste. Incorporating fabric covered plant pots into your home decor not only enhances the beauty of your plants but also allows you for creative expression and a personalized touch. The versatility, warmth, and dye potential make them a delightful addition to any room, indoor or outdoor green space. Create intricate design by hammering nails into a wooden board or weaving colorful strings between them. This adds a contemporary or artistic flair to your walls. This string art wall decor allows for endless creativity and personalization. It's a fun and a rewarding dye project that can be adopted to various styles and themes, whether you prefer a minimalist designs or a vibrant, intricate pattern. String art can be customized to suit your taste and enhance your home decor. Choose one wall to be a focal point and paint it with a bold or contrasting color. This simple yet effective technique can transform the entire room. Whether you go for bold and vibrant or a subtle and intricate, a painted accent wall art can transform a room and become a focal point for your interior design. It's a dye project that allows you to showcase your artistic flair while making a statement into your living space. Craft a personalized headboard using reclaimed wood, fabric, or even a room divider. This instantly upgrades your bedroom's aesthetics. Transform a plain wooden tray into an elegant piece by affixing the small mirror pieces. This dye project adds a touch of glamour to your serving accessories. Frame photos, print or postcards with colorful washi tape to create an eclectic and changeable gallery wall. Stretch patterns fabric over wooden frames to craft unique wall hangings. This is an excellent way to introduce texture and color to your space. Combine copper pipes and wooden boards to construct a modern and minimalist wall shelves perfect for displaying your favorite decor items. Refresh old furniture by using stencils and paint to add intricate patterns or designs. This adds a touch of personality to your space. Repurpose old candlesticks into elegant terrarium holders. Subscribe and keep watching my videos. Take care.